Hello guys, today how to solve a Rubik's cube 3 by 3, any Rubik's cube. How to solve the Rubik's cube? Very easy and simple. Okay, first time this is yellow color. I find the white color. This is two color, white color with any others color, no problem. Two color with any others color, two color with white color with red color, white color with orange color, no problem. What to do now? Yellow color front side always, this position. White color, first time white color here, this only middle, white color middle. First time white color, one white color done. Second white color middle, this color done. This color, this color, white color, but not a, this is bottom, not a middle. One time middle complete. This color here, first time this color problem. This color here, white color. Last one, find white color. This is not this color here, no problem. This is here, this color, same color, this line here, this color one time, two time, complete. Now white color with green color. Here no green color, here green color with green color, one time, two time. White color with white color setting. This color, white color with orange color. My English is not good, please forgive me. This color, orange color. This color, not orange color. One time. This color match. This color match right side. One time, two time, complete. This color, white color with blue color. This is not blue color. Blue color here, one time, two time, match. Same system, one time, two time, complete. Last one, red color with red color match, one time, two time. My white color, white cross, white color cross, white plus. Now this color 1 2 3 4 white color here, one color, one white color. This color, white color with any color here, green color, like green with green color, green match, green match. This green match. White color right side, white color here, left, down, back, up, back. complete. White color here, this color, same line, back side, same position. White color with red color, red color matching. White color right side, this white color here, left side here, this down, this back, this done. More white color, this color here, color matching, this color here, this color right side, left side here, down, right side, return. First layer, last one not a system, there white color, this system, back side, right position, color matching, blue with blue matching. This is right side, left side, back, done. First layer complete. Now second layer, yellow color, bottom yellow color, this color not yellow color, this color only matching, color matching. Here green color, my right side, green, here green, this same color right side. System, this system all two layer, back, up. This white color here, left, this white color left side, right side, here back. Two layer, second layer, same algorithm. This color not a yellow color, blue with orange, blue not matching, blue matching. Now orange color, bottom all orange color, right side orange color, this color right side, system algorithm left, this color opposite side left, this color orange, bottom, back, up, back. This yellow color, this white color top, this left side, right side here, this color match like first layer, same second layer. This color not a yellow color, blue color here, red color, blue color first time, blue color blue matching, white color always top, blue with blue match, bottom red color not right side, this is left side, red color, this side, okay, no problem. Same algorithm, this is left side, right side, turn, back, return. This white color face the white color, this color here, left, right side, left side turn, this is right side, left side turn, back here. last one more. This red color, this is no, this red color, this is green color, red color not match. First time, second time match, red matching, green color not right side, this is left side, this algorithm, the left side, this is right side, this side back, this side back, this side up. Same algorithm, this white color here, left side, this color, already first layer, second layer complete. Please, this is only one yellow color. First time yellow cross, very easy and simple. Only F any side on F R U R back, U back. F first time F, last time F back. Like L, this is same system. If you first time in this position, so you are lucky. Same algorithm. Same algorithm. F R U R back, U back, F back, means F back. Like a minus, this minus, this minus not a, this position, this right position here, this right position. Same algorithm, F R U R back, U back, F back. My yellow cross complete. This is yellow cross, corner no fact, no matter, any others color no matter. Now middle, red matching, orange matching, blue matching, green matching, but not matching. Only two match. First two match, so lucky. This position right side or left side. Same algorithm. All middle colors matching. This right side, left side. Same algorithm. R U R back, VU, again R U2 R back, complete. This red here, red matching, green matching, orange matching, blue matching, all color middle matching. Now corner, three color, green, red, yellow, not match. Green here, not green, here green, here not, there here not green. Blue here, not blue, here blue, here not blue. This is no matching, not matching, no matching, any color not matching. So matching, not matching, no problem. This algorithm, anyone matching. L back, again L back, sorry, this is L bag U. This is here back side U. This is right side R. Again matching back. This is matching again back. This is again this red color here, red color matching. This is already one match, complete matching. This not matching, only one corner matching, but any other color not matching. Everything is not matching, no problem. It's same algorithm. This is right position, right side. This position. L back EU R U back L EU R back U back. Same algorithm. This is not matching. Blue color here, not blue color. Here orange, here not a orange color. Same position, same algorithm. Again L bag EU R U bag L U R bag. This position right. This is matching. Here yellow, red, green. Here yellow, red, green. Three color match. There three color match. Red here, yellow or blue. Everything is all color match, but not a finishing. Finishing only one algorithm. This corner already finished. This not finished. Like same algorithm. R U R back U back. Not match. R U R back U back. Not match. R U R back U back. Not match. R U R back U back. Match first. Match next corner. R U R back U back. R U R back U back. Not match. R U R back U back. Not match. R U R back U back. Is matching completed. Next corner only. This is no matter, no fact, everything is scramble, no problem. R U R back U back. 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 Thank you. My English is not good, please forgive me any mistake. Thank you. Thanks everybody. Many thanks. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment first. If you any problem, please comment first. Always support. Thank you. Many thanks everybody.